US dollar gives up some strength early Monday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNets, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has launched higher during the trading session early hours on Monday, as we are now back above the 50-day EMA. Ultimately, it'll be interesting to see whether or not we can continue to see a lot of upward momentum. But I do think that between the 1.05 level is the beginning of pretty significant resistance that extends all the way to the 1.06 level. Because of this, I look at this with interest, but I don't necessarily want to start buying the euro here. I don't know that the risk to reward ratio is set up quite nicely. Yes, it's a very impressive candlestick so far, and it may end up being something that matters, but right now, we still haven't gotten through a lot of noise to make me overly aggressive. The US dollar initially pulled back against the Japanese yen, but has bounced again as it looks like we are starting to keep a serious eye on that interest rate differential, which will continue to favor the US dollar overall. The 150 yen level is an area that you need to pay close attention to. But it's an area. It's not a brick wall. Keep that in mind. And in fact, we've dropped all the way down to the 148.50 yen level during the test of this area. So think of it as a support zone. The 200-day EMA sits just underneath the 152 yen level. I think that will be tested. The Australian dollar has rallied slightly against the US dollar, but in the big scheme of things, I don't think it's going to matter much. More likely than not, you will have traders looking to short the Aussie on some type of bounce at the first signs of exhaustion. With that, I am looking for a better price to buy US dollars and short Australian dollars. Somewhere around the 0.63 level, I will revisit this chart and take a look to see whether or not there is some type of exhaustion that has me getting involved. My name's Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.